there, this is Mehreen Hashmi and this is another episode of Behind the Art Scene because as I have told you or you must know about my work as a curator. I've also have an online art gallery and I'm going to show you around my art gallery and I'm going to tell you that how does I work or how do I work as an art consultant or how do I do art dealing or how do I sell artwork or which artwork you should buy and if you are an art lover what you should know about art, just like that. So follow me and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Let's go. घर में जितनी भी कलेक्शन है और जो भी काम है वो I paint. No. Why people do that? Because let me be blunt and honest with you. It's very easy to understand that artist के अलावा curator क्या होता है लोगों को पता नहीं होता और हम लोग पूछना भी नहीं चाहते. दूसरा ये कि गैलरीज किस तरह से फंक्शन कर सकती हैं. सो आई थिंक कि 90% हमारी आबादी को आर्ट का शौक तो बहुत है मगर उनको सीखने की ज़रूरत है. सो दिस इज़ वाई आई एम हेयर गिविंग यू अ टूर of my work station and my place which you have seen in a lot of my vlogs and a lot of my videos and previous episodes of this series. So let's start with my work. I will be also showing you that how to understand art, different genres of art, different categories of art. So this is my work. It's a she series and it's my work. I have painted this. Bread and butter is being a curator. The projects you can find my कबूतर project आपको मिल जाएगा. Cultural exchange था. बहुत सारे different मैंने exhibitions curate की हैं. दूसरे artist का काम promote किया है और exhibit किया है. That's what curators do. So this is another work, Akram Paul. This is here to be sold. Yes, it is here to be sold. ये काम बिकने के लिए मेरे पास आया है. जैसे कि this one was exhibited in my show and it's a gift. So I own this painting. मेरी हो गई फिर उसके बाद फिर कुछ उसके बाद मेरा काम है. And as you can see that this is wrapped in a bubble wrap. So वाई क्योंकि बहुत सारी कुछ पेंटिंग्स ऑयल में इस तरह की होती हैं जो कि ख़राब हो जाती हैं और पेंटिंग्स को आप बग़ैर हाथ धोए टच नहीं कर सकते. इंटरनेशनली तो बहुत प्रोटोकॉल होता है आपको हाथ धो के और ग्लव्स पहन के और बहुत ध्यान से आप टच करते हैं. पाकिस्तान में बहुत कम है बट आई फॉलो ऑल दैट प्रोटोकॉल. सो दैट्स वाई आई एम हैंगिंग दिस पेंटिंग ताकि कैनवस ख़राब ना हो. और इसको I kept it wrapped because it's by a senior artist and it's like it cost me more than 3 lakh. This cost me 1 lakh. Again, this is not my work. It's here for sale. Because जब online art galleries होती हैं तो होता ये कि we have e-commerce website which I am working on. बाकी ये है कि आपके जो contacts और clientele and there is Instagram, there is Facebook and now there is this series to educate you guys so you can also buy affordable art. Yes, these are for lakhs. I also have some artwork which is worth of millions and then it is with the private collectors, with other people, with other art dealers and other places. We can't store everything here. So these are all the projects. As a curator, you can easily find it. This was my very first show. Yeah, Raison d'être. It was in Alliance Française and it was my very first show as a curator. And I had different artists. उसके फौरन बाद मैंने ये किया था जिसमें कोई 100 के करीब art pieces थे. And this was my major show with 30 artists from all over Pakistan. So you can find these. इनकी जो सारे reviews, Baslik is one of my favorite show because सबसे ज़्यादा reviews मुझे उस पे मिले. मुनाक्काश public art project था I am Karachi के साथ. I exhibited my work in this show. Surface Lining कबूतर project we did last year. It's one of my favorite project. मेरी company का पहला project था जो आप दिल से काम करते हैं ना, ये वो वाला project था. So it was my own project with the partnership of Orbit Advertising. They are partners with my company MH Initiatives. So that's how we work. Different postcards from different museums. So there is another piece of work which is by Fahim Baloch and that's This is here to be sold. It's worth more than 40,000, and he's a senior artist. You have seen this work of mine. That's my work. It's a very signature work. If you want postcards of this work, you can contact me. It's for 500, and I will send 500 rupees, and then I will write my message to you, and I will post it to you. So you will receive an artwork from me. It's the whole concept of this kind of work is that. So let's go forward. There is another work by Jamil Baloch. I exhibited the big ones of this artwork. This his iconic work. So what happened was that I exhibited. I wrote about his work in my dissertation as a student, and he was one of my favorite artists. This was my favorite work, and उसके 8 साल बाद 2017 में when I did Karachi Art Summit, so I curated the same work which I included in my dissertation. That was a dream coming true. You can understand the milestone. इसका जो original piece है, it's एक sculpture इसी तरह का 10 feet का है और ऐसे 7 हैं. So वो नेशनल म्यूजियम पे मैंने एज अ क्यूरेटर डिस्प्ले किए थे. दैट्स व्हाट क्यूरेटर्स डू. अब आपको समझ में आता जा रहा होगा कि मैं क्या करती हूँ, अपना काम कैसे करती हूँ. So here we have, oh yeah, that's I do influencer marketing. So this lamp is by the Bling Affair. They're amazing. They have amazing lamps. You can find different kind of. I love galaxies and blue. So she sent me this. This was a gift. And there is another one, Farina Najam ka kaam hai. There is different, and again the regular contemporary artwork. Now I will show you something really interesting. I'm going to show you affordable art. Why we are doing this? So everybody can buy art, and when you are spending 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 or 10,000, that work should have value. Means you can resell it, and it should be exclusive. Because जो Google से हम प्रिंट करके पिक्चर्स निकालते हैं ना, उसमें भी आपके 2-3 हज़ार ही खर्च होते हैं, मगर उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. जो अफोर्डेबल आर्ट में भी आपको दिखाऊंगी, और कुछ एपिसोड्स में मैंने मेंशन भी किया है. आई विल शो यू मोर. इट्स फ्रॉम सम ऑफ इट इज़ फ्रॉम कुछ इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट का भी है, कुछ लोकल आर्टिस्ट का भी है, और इसकी वैल्यू है. उसकी जो प्रिंटेबल फाइल है वो सिर्फ उसका कॉपीराइट सिर्फ मेरे पास है और आर्टिस्ट के पास है. आई एम ओनली अलाउड टू प्रिंट 10 editions, यानी कि एक आर्टवर्क के सिर्फ 10 editions होते हैं, तो which makes it exclusive. And that's how you buy affordable art. Actually internationally तो बहुत ज़्यादा ये चीज़ कॉमन है, और हम बहुत आराम से बाहर जाके डॉलर्स में इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट के, वेस्टर्न आर्टिस्ट के काम को बहुत आराम से हम बहुत खुशी खुशी खरीदते हैं. तो हमें अपने आर्टिस्ट का काम भी खरीदना चाहिए जिसकी वैल्यू, ताकि हमारे लोकल आर्टिस्ट को सपोर्ट मिले और गैलरीज को सपोर्ट मिले और इस तरह की चीज़, और आपके पास भी आप ही लोगों का कल्चर का काम हो. खैर, लेट्स डू इट. So there is more work. There are different drawings, as you can see. So this is like 8,000. You can see that. You can make a close up of it. See, and it's beautiful. And there is more here, and there is more here, like more drawings here. I'm gonna put it here this way. So there it is. I stored in this, and then there is a portfolio bag. There are more paintings. You can see there is more work. These bags are full of more work. Oh, it's heavy. So whenever we are doing it, there is a protocol of doing it. You can't just, you have to spread it out ताकि काम खराब ना हो और creases ना आए और scratches ना आए वगैरह वगैरह. So these are my sketchbooks. See, I have traveled with this when I was traveling with my projects में जब लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद और इटली लेके गई थी last year. So इसके अंदर मैंने कुछ काम रखा था. Here you go. So there are different आर्टिस्ट वर्क. इन सारे आर्टिस्ट का काम जो है मैं अलग से इन सीरीज में बताती जाऊंगी, तो आप फॉलो करते रहिए. यू कैन फॉलो माई इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो, MH Art Gallery, and Marina Ashmi _MH to know about this work. We will be explaining these artworks to you for upcoming episodes as well. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I'm saying that again and again. There is more work. कुछ काम जो है, कुछ canvases जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, आप रोल करके रख सकते हैं. ये मेरा अपना काम है because I display in Europe. So लेकर आना ले जाना. So आप ये करते हैं कि अक्सर कुछ आप बॉक्सेस में इसको ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं और कुछ को आप roll करके करना. So either you can do it in hand carry if you're traveling by yourself, or you can, it's cheaper to transport. Simple as that. So here it is. Now we are going. This is the gallery section, major gallery section. You have seen sare vlogs, videos, everything here. You don't need a very big empire or very nice fancy offices to do something big. You can just have your workstation and start, and your will and your passion and your determination to start something. So I did this computer project sitting in Pakistan in this workstation, and it was a cultural exchange between Italy, Turkey, France, Netherlands and Pakistan here. हमारे पास डेलीगेट्स यहाँ पे आए थे, फिर हम लोग यहाँ से वो शो लेकर इटली में गए थे लास्ट ईयर. यू कैन फॉलो दैट, इट्स ऑन फेसबुक, इट्स ऑन माई प्रोफाइल ऑल्सो. यू कैन सी वट वॉज इट अबाउट. इट्स अ ट्रैवलिंग शो. फिर देन देयर वॉज अनदर ट्रैवलिंग शो आई हैव एग्जिबिटेड. I am very grateful about saying that I have exhibited international artists from different countries. मेरे एक शो में कोई 30 आर्टिस्ट होते थे लास्ट ईयर भी, और अभी भी प्लान है. और मेरे अपने काम में भी there were other 52 international artists, and you need to understand it's very difficult to reach to that level. It requires, I'm not bragging, please don't take me wrong, and I'm not proud, I'm just showing my gratitude. And this series is for artists as well, ताकि उनको पता चले कि वो अपना पोर्टफोलियो कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, आगे कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं. बिकॉज मेहनत के साथ साथ आपको स्मार्ट होने की भी ज़रूरत होती है. यू नीड टू नो हाउ टू गो फॉरवर्ड. सो जैसे कि बिल गेट्स ने तो फिर भी अपना काम एक गैराज में शुरू किया था. मेरे पास एक वर्क स्टेशन है. आई हैव अ प्रॉपर वर्क प्लेस. इट्स नॉट दैट फैंसी, बट आई लाइक इट कलरफुल. आई डोंट लाइक फैंसी, आई लाइक सिंपल, कलरफुल एंड प्रैक्टिकल. सो देयर इट इज. टडा. सो वो जो सारी कुछ थिंकिंग होती है वो यहाँ से शुरू होती है. Like I sit here and I work here and it's done. You don't need a fancy as office to start something. You just start and then go to work. I don't want to have a fancy office. Okay, I will think about it later. So this was my my very favorite feature in Pakistan's Daily Times. It summarizes my work. It's not about the sob story. It's about my work as a curator and my artwork for mental health and curatorial activism and warfare and peace and everything. Because मेरे जो projects होते हैं, I do it as a social entrepreneur और उसका कोई ना कोई मकसद. 2016, some awards you can see. More artwork over there and मुनक्कश. I like this one. इसका डिज़ाइन अच्छा है. Millennial of inspiration था ये. Thanks to them. And these are because I go and speak also as a motivational speaker. So those stuff. So this is another work which I did, and it was exhibited in London. It was supposed to be, but because of the context, Pakistan से वो जा नहीं सका. इसकी website पे उनकी आप ये काम देख सकते हैं. There is more work. Now this is supposed to be, so this is a multifunctional room. I cannot sleep without my work. I don't know, maybe art school training. So we sit and chill here during the day, and there is a storage underneath. So this is serving as storage. I will show you more. Okay, there it is. Another artwork. Damag लड़ाने वाला. So ये किसी exhibition में था, and the artist gave it to me. So I am keeping it here. It's my collection. ये मेरा है. This is a drone from project. Okay, this is for fun. Party करना भी ज़रूरी है. You need to have fun after work as well. This is for Saturday night. There is more artwork. The prints. This was from a gift from an artist. And this says we are making these kind of prints as well. This was a gift, but आप लोग इस तरह के prints भी करवा सकते हैं किसी भी artwork का. And there is another work also of mine. Hang इसलिए किया जाता है paintings को because वो इनका canvas वगैरह सही रहता है. उसके पीछे आपको बहुत straight रखना हो तो you can't poke any surface, वरना उस पर निशान पड़ जाता है. It's very difficult to keep your canvases nice and clean and straight and not dented and everything. So it requires a lot of stuff, and there is more painting. ये आप देख सकते हैं. So इनको भी मैंने bubble wrap करके straight करके इधर रखा हुआ है. There is more stuff under the bed. You don't want to go to in that storage. That's my another work for who will attend my funeral. And there is more work, there is a storage cabinet, and there is more work. And here I have some of my articles, because as a curator I have to write articles, I have to know. मेरी कुछ publications भी हैं जो कि इसमें आती हैं, आपको portfolio रखना पड़ता है. I used to write for Niga Art for literally like very long projects. Isme you can see, I mean, I have to look for the article because it's a thick magazine. So isme jo articles hote the lambe lambe, I used to do that because हम लोग जो है वो curators art critic भी होते हैं. And I think it's time कि जो है बहुत सारे इसमें हैं जो कि it's like a lot of articles you can see. So बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको अब समझ जाना चाहिए कि curator is also a profession and art is also a profession, and it's not the A-levels art. I hope you have enjoyed the storage and how we function MH online art gallery here. This is how we are doing it, and we want to go bigger, but we need your support. So don't forget to follow MH online art gallery. It's curated. I am featuring several local artists of Pakistan, known artists of Pakistan, as well as masters, private collections, international artists, and affordable art for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is more coming up. Follow the series and hit on the notification bell. We are posting every Wednesday and Saturday. Take care and much love.